Welcome to the online participation instructions for NurseryWorks Google Moderator. So to get started, you'll need to open up a web browser, and if you do not already have this bookmarked, you can go to ksu.edu/NurseryWorks. Once you reach the main page, you'll go to How to Participate Online, and then follow the link to Ask Questions on Google Moderator. From here, you'll be directed to the main page for Google Moderator, and here in the top right hand corner you'll need to sign in using your Google account. Now if you do not already have a Google account, you can create one here using the Create an Account Now link in the bottom corner. But to get you started, we'll sign in for you. So once you've signed in, you'll see the home screen again, and you'll also see your username and the option to sign out here in the top right hand corner to let you know that you've successfully logged in. So once you've logged in and you want to start asking some questions, you can go here to the left hand side where it says pick a meeting. Under here you'll have different tabs for the conference sessions, so we'll go to the first one here. This session is called Getting to the Root of the Matter. If we want a description of this session, we can click Description, and here we see that Dr. Ed Gilman of the University of Florida will be speaking on managing roots in the nursery for optimum production and landscape performance. So if we would like to view the questions that have already been asked, we can hit the button here where it says View Questions. And so our first question that we see here on the screen is one that Matt has asked, and it says, what do you think of the root maker system? So if we want that question answered, we can vote, hit yes to have that question ranked, and so that can be more likely answered, or we can click no, I don't think we need that question answered. So you can kind of down rank it there so that you can get other questions that you would more like addressed answered. So to start submitting questions of your own, you can hit the Submit a Question button here in the bottom left hand side, and then you'll see the option to pick a meeting again to make sure you're in the right session, and then from here you can ask your question. And so for us, we're going to say, how does this apply to pot and pot production? And right here above the Submit button you'll see your username and location. Now this is something you'll fill in when you ask your first question, and then from there on out it should recognize you. And then you'll click Submit. Then you'll see your question at the top, and then it'll be moved down here to the bottom, and we see that NurseryWorks ask, how does this apply to pot and pot production? So from here, others can vote on your question as well to have them answered. So we hope that you enjoy using this as a sounding board to get your questions asked, and hopefully vote on others to have them asked as well. So that way, at the end of the session, the speaker can get the tally, the results at the end of the session, and see which questions most need to be addressed, so that way most people benefit from the conference session. We hope that you enjoy using Google Moderator and that you have fun. So enjoy the conference.